Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dawn Garnett. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about the 3 things that I eat on a regular basis. Everything from just my everyday go-to kind of avocado toast, if you follow my Instagram, big fan of avocado, to a lighter meal when I want something lighter, or if I want to add, say, protein powder, and light day like today where I'm going to be going to the gym and lifting some heavy weights. Something a little heavier, a little heartier, something to give me a lot of energy, some protein. Not that there isn't protein in all these good plant foods, but yeah, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm making here is some avocado toast, and as you can see, I am taking the stone out and I'm going to slice it just to make my life easier in a few minutes. The best piece of advice I can give you right now is do not hold the avocado in your hand while slicing it. Just put it down on the counter or on a hard surface while you slice it. That way you don't get any cuts. So just scoop out the avocado onto your toast. This is why cutting it into the chunks or slices makes it easier. And then I'm just mashing it down with my fork. I'm going to squeeze a little fresh lemon on here and then add my chia seeds on top. Just sprinkle on as much as you want. So I'm going to add my tomatoes that I've already cut into quarters, and then my cucumbers, and I also sprinkled a little black pepper on here as well. And I'm just going to have some lemon water with that. And that is a breakfast number 1. So next I'm going to be making some oatmeal that has some goji berries and walnuts, some cinnamon. So first thing I'm going to do is boil some water. I've got about 2 cups of water here in the pot. And once that water's boiling, I'm going to add about a cup of oatmeal, giving it a stir, and I'm going to cook that for about 4 minutes. It's about half a cup of oat milk here, and I'm just going to cook that down until it's just below the top of the oatmeal. So let's get that into a bowl, and now we're going to add our goji berries. If you've never had goji berries, they taste kind of like raisins when they're dried, a little bit sweeter though. And now I'm just going to add some walnuts, some more chia seed, and a little bit of moringa powder. Moringa powder is extremely high in vitamin C, so I add this to a lot of things. So I'm just going to add a little bit of cinnamon as well, and why not some more walnuts. And some more goji berries. And then just to add a little bit more sweetness, we're going to add some pure organic maple syrup. So there is breakfast number 2. Excellent if you have a day at the gym, or you just need to fill up that day, you're super hungry, cold outside. And number 3 is my very berry smoothie. I like to have this one as a smoothie bowl. You can also make this obviously to go. You could add some protein powder to it if you like. So I'm just adding in some bananas and now some berries into my single serving size container for my Ninja. So I'm just adding about a cup of oat milk here, and some more moringa powder and chia seeds, and we'll get that onto the Ninja. And now we're going to get that into the bowl and get it ready for all the toppings. I'm just using more of the frozen berries that I used to make the smoothie. I just like this combination of strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. But you can use any kind of berries that you want. You could add some bananas here. So let's add some walnuts. And let's add a little bit more walnuts. And now some chia seed, full of omega-3s. And then I just went in here with my fingers to put moringa powder on because my spoon fell on the floor, to be honest. So there is number 3, your smoothie bowl. It's so delicious. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.